incident this week about the New York Federal Reserve bombing plot. It's another of the agent provocateur. Take away the, it's not just informants they employed. They gave a little disinformation out to the New York Times in the story saying that this guy had invited in other people to join him in the plot and eventually invited in a FBI informer. That isn't true at all. The FBI informer was there from the very beginning. It turns out to be an agent provocateur, provoking, inciting, telling him, shoveling in the plans, the explosives, everything. You take away the FBI in these arrests, and there is no case.
Well, that's even admitted in mainstream media, that there's hundreds of cases of them finding mental midgets, provocateurs, idiots, drug addicts, all of this. Let me expand on this, though. We've even seen our military, even some high-level generals who continue to not hit Iran when they're basically pushed into it, who continue to say, hey, Russia, China, hey, we need to, stop obsessing in the Middle East, Central Asia. We need to get out. And we are actually seeing a lot of leaks of people within the system who are basically agreeing with what you're saying, Joel Skousen. It's just tribally so much fun at a primitive level to get upset about the Muslims all day. But I don't know how mainline conservatives and people don't get it and don't understand that the globalists run the Muslim extremists on record. And they just don't get it. I tell them, look at the Homeland Security training manuals that keep coming out. Returning veterans, gun owners, libertarians, constitutionalists, real Christians, people they know that aren't going to go along with this total takeover. We are the ones being listed as terrorists. We are the thing. I mean, it's a total cover story, the Muslims. And you're right. We've got to break this. I mean, is there any way to break this and stop them from 6, 7, 8, 9 years from now? That'll come quick. And I agree more and more with your timeline, because you can really see the battle lines being drawn and the real military preparations against China and Russia. I mean, is there any way to stop them nuking us and doing this and wiping out all the useful idiots in the major cities?
Well, I get this all the time from people. Why don't we see, or why don't I see just a neutron bomb or a EMP strike, which would simply wipe out our infrastructure here, and why do they have to nuke us? Can't we stop this nuke? And I say no. The reason is, for example, an EMP strike takes out the civilian infrastructure through shutting down the electricity, but it still can be put up within about anywhere from 6 weeks to about 6 months, depending on the damage. It can be knit back together. And I said, besides, the military is increasingly hardened. Almost